What's up, everybody? Today, man, I'm out here on an old case. What is it? A 310B back there. And basically, what I got is we got a track tensioner that's seized up. It's got bad grease in it. It's what I'm hoping for. I'm out here by myself. I'm gonna try to get this track off. Basically, I've got it all the way back. I come out here to service it, and the track was about 2 inches, 2.5 inches. So it needs to be up about an inch. I got the other side right. I'm gonna try to get this track off here by myself. We'll see what happens. I'll let you know. Alright, y'all, so I did manage to get the track loose, but it was seized up really bad. But I did get it out of there. I cleaned it up in there a little bit. Track was, that tensioner was seized up bad. But I managed to get it out. I've cleaned it up a little bit. And now I've put some grease in it and got it to move a little bit. And now I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna compress it back. Is I'm gonna try to compress it all the way in. I don't think it ever fully compressed. That's why the track was so hard to get off. But so I got it to this point. I done cleaned a bunch of that off. I probably have to do a light sanding on it. I changed the dessert fitting, just the grease fitting, just to see. It's still really hard to take grease. Now you pull that fitting off, and you can shoot grease right through the fitting. But basically I ended up taking this whole fitting off right here to compress it, and like I said, it still wouldn't compress all the way. So I don't know how bad this piston looks inside here, or this push rod looks inside here, but yeah, it's definitely got to be chewed up a bit. So I'm just trying to work it free. If I can get it work free, then we're gonna put it back on. If I can't get it free, then see what he wants to do. Having to leave it like that, guys. Taking it to the shop. So yeah, I had that tensioner between the clamp there, and put the box in front of the little fitting there because the fitting was gone. I figured if it was going to shoot grease out, it'd shoot it in that box. Well, I guess when I went to squeeze it, I didn't pay attention, and the box fell over, and it shot grease. When it freed up, it let loose quick. It shot grease all up in here, all over the box there. Kept on shooting all the way up into the floor right here. It looks like you can see right there is probably where it's been bound up, right in there. That's fully closed. That mark is fully closed, so it hadn't been extending. Because all this right here, I cleaned everything that I could earlier, but that's as far as it would move. So I got it all cleaned pretty well. It's still a rust spot. I'm about to clean it up real good and compress it back down and see if we can't get that all nasty out of there and do it again. Got a few bad spots on it that you're not getting out, but it's making it past where it's been stopping right there. It's making it past that. Not gonna keep running it back and forth. That's the second time. It's freed up. It's definitely working. So what I'm gonna do is clean it up some, put it back, get it back all the way to here, which will be completely, the shaft completely in, and then take it back out there and see if it won't push her on out. She's freed up now. So earlier, man, you couldn't even get that thing to compress in. I mean, like I said, when it broke free, it shot that grease all up in the trailer. It shot grease 25 foot, almost to the front of the trailer. So, but I got it free. I could actually just press my weight on it and pull it right in, and then the grease gun sends it right back out. So we should be good. All right, guys, so we out here. The track's still off here. So I'm out here, I'm gonna try to get this track on. See if I can't get it on and make this pump work. Three-quarters of an inch, baby. That's what you're looking at, about 1 inch right there on that center idler. Roughly, you know, I'm about 3/4. I got a little tight, but it's cool last night. Time he runs it a little bit, should be about right. Right there's why your air conditioner ain't working.